Tony here with Drive Protective, guys. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you guys how to remove the belt moldings or window trim, whichever way you want to call it, from a Tesla Model 3. So super simple, super easy video, super quick. We're going to get straight down to the point right now. Okay, so we got our shop's Model 3 here, and this is what we're going to show you guys. So we're just going to start by opening the door, and then you can just grab the back of the molding. There's a little rubber piece that kind of hooks on. You can feel that. So just take a couple of your fingers, pull up on that, little downward twist here, and then just pull up, just like that. And now just give it a little wiggle and pull up, just like that. That molding pops right off. Set that one aside. And now for the back, very similar. Open the door, and you got a little more leverage here. Just pull up, and little wiggle as you pull up, just to make sure it's popping off. It makes it a little easier to come off with a little bit of wiggle. Now, put back in, start by the front, push that into place, and just follow by along there. You hear a couple little pops, it popping into place there, close the door, and we're done. Also, put the front one back in, similar process, start in the front, push it up against the mirror there, and just pop it into place. Just like that. And that is how to remove window moldings, window trims on a Tesla Model 3. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys in the next one. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button.